Hi, I'm doing an unboxing video of the latest Lamtto Carplay. This is the 2026 11-inch Carplay with wireless capability. So let's do the unboxing. This is the largest screen that they have. Let's see some specification on the side. As you can see, it has wireless play, Android Auto, connect to your phone wirelessly. It has a built-in YouTube, Netflix, watch videos, and so many other features. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's see. Take all the accessories and we'll see them one by one. Okay, let's take this away. So this is the adhesive spare that comes with the Carplay, and we have an aux cable. This is a tool to tack in the cables. And here we have a manual how to set up. It looks like in Chinese and English. This is the power adapter that goes into the cigarette outlets. It's a Type-C connecting cable. This is the mounting brackets. So the difference from the previous one is that this is looks like it slides in instead of screws. And here we have the backup camera, an HD backup camera with a red cable that goes into the reverse lighting. So when you change gear into reverse, it automatically changes to the backup camera, which has the lines that guides you when you park. And most importantly, this is the Carplay. This is huge. It's the largest screen, 11 inch. There are some instructions here. And from the back, there's a GPS over here. So you don't have to connect to your phone to watch YouTube, Netflix, or any other apps, or use the map as well. So it has its own GPS capability, so you don't have to use your phone, connect to the Carplay to use the GPS. It has its own GPS capabilities. This is a nice feature, and this is also the stand. So you can use either of those stands, the mounting bracket or the stand. And I think the stand has some tilting capabilities. It's adhesive. Okay. So this is what the CarPlay looks like. We will make another video when we install it in the car. Stay tuned for the next